This video is for CBSE Class 12 Comparison students. In this, we will see the header files needed for the functions to be executed. And this is a compulsory question for the CBSE board exam. Hello students, you are watching New Knowledge On channel. If you like this video, click the subscribe button. If you want to get the updates about the upcoming videos, click the bell button. We will move on to this video. From this topic, you will get a 1 mark question which comes under the subdivision of question number 1. This is question number 1B, and we will see the question. This is a sample paper of 2019. Observe the following program very carefully and write the names of those header files which are essentially needed to compile and execute the following program successfully. Void main, char text of 20, new text of 20, gets text, strcpy new text comma text, for int I equal to 0, I less than strlen of text I plus plus. If text of I equal to a, text of I equal to text of I plus 2, puts text. So first of all, before answering this question, you have to find out what are the functions present in this code. Then we will look for the header file. So if you see here, you have the functions like gets, strcpy, string length, and then puts are the 4 functions present here. And the answer for this question is, so gets is present in stdio.h, strcpy is in string.h, strlen is in string.h, puts is in stdio.h. We'll move on to the next paper. So 2019 compartment exam paper. Write the names of the correct header files which must be included to compile the code successfully. The given code is void main char s1 of 20 equal to cs, s2 of 20 equal to 2018, strcat of s1 comma s2, cout s1. So you have to find out the header file needed for this. So for strcat, the required header file is string.h, and for cout, the required header file is iostream.h. We'll move on to the next paper now. This is 2018 board paper. The following C++ code during compilation report errors as follows. Error of stream is strupr, strcat, fin not declared. So in this question, the errors are reported. So you can easily find out what are the header files needed for that. Now the question is, write the names of the correct header files which must be included to compile the code successfully. The given code is void main, ofstream, fin, wish.txt, wish.txt is a text file, char text2 equal to goody, char text1 equal to John, strupr of text2, strcat text1 comma text2, fin text1 and l. We'll see the header file needed for this. So for the offstream fin, fstream.h is needed, and for strupr, string.h is needed, which will convert the characters to uppercase, and strcat is a concatenation which is present in string.h, and for fin already we defined as fstream.h, so that error will be removed here. The next board paper is 2017 paper, and the question is, Anil typed the following C++ code and during compilation he found 4 errors as follows. So this is a 1 mark question. 4 errors are mentioned here. The first error is function strlen should have a prototype. Second one, undefined symbol cout. Third one, function getChar should have a prototype. Fourth one, undefined symbol endl. And asking his teacher told him to include the necessary header files in the code. Write the names of the header files which Anil needs to include for successful compilation and execution of the following code. And the code is void main char s equal to hello, for int I equal to 0, I less than string length of s, I plus plus, str of I equal to str of I plus 1, cout s endl, get char. And we will see the answer now. So strlen is present in the header file string.h, and cout is in iostream.h, this we discussed already, and endl is also present in iostream.h, getChar is present in stdio.h. Okay. So the next paper is 2015 board paper. Typedef char, text of 80, void main, text str equal to p is supreme, int index is 0, while str of index not equal to null character if is upper string of index plus plus equal to hash, else string of index plus plus equal to asterisk, puts str. So this is the given code and you have to find out the header file needed for the functions. Okay, so we'll see the answer now. So is upper is present in ctype.h and puts is present in stdio.h. Okay, the next question. This is of 2019 paper. Write the names of the correct header files which must be included in the following C++ code to compile the code successfully. This is 1 mark question and the code is void main char l is equal to cs 2018 int n equal to str ln of l cout l of n minus 1. So this is the code and the header file needed for this is, already we discussed this, strln is present in string.h, cout is present in iostream.h. Okay. So other than this, some other important functions which are needed for class 12 I have mentioned here. So in math.h header file, you have the functions like abs, absolute value, sqrt, comma, pow. Next is stdlib.h and in that we have rand, yes, rand, random, randomize, atof, time. IO_manip, set iOS flags, set precisions, set w. This is mainly used for formatting. stdio.h put char. In limits.h you have a variable like int min, comma, int max. This also I have mentioned here because in one program we have used this one, this header file limits.h in sorting and searching type of questions. In our textbook we have this variable one. And next is ctype.h is alpha, is lower, is upper, to lower, to upper. To lower means it will convert it into lowercase letter. Is lower is checking whether it is in lowercase letter or not. Conio.h is for clear screen. Get gtche go to xy. So these are the important header files and the functions. And now you are clear with the concepts of the functions and the header file. Thank you viewers. Thanks for watching this channel. Please subscribe the channel.